Dear friends, this video is an open appeal to the Honorable Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu through M.K. Stalin to kindly bring in the human rights education as a core subject in all colleges and universities in Tamil Nadu as directed by the National Human Rights Commission and State Human Rights Commission. While participating in the Silver Jubilee celebrations of the State Human Rights Commission of Tamil Nadu, he was proud of proclaiming that former Chief Minister Kalaignar M. Karunanidhi has announced the formation of the State Human Rights Commission on April 16, 1997, and the backdrop of the Human Rights Protection Act, which was enacted in 1993. In this respect, we bring to the kind notice of the Honorable Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu to bring in human rights education as a core subject in all colleges and universities in India by the decision taken by the National Human Rights Commission way back in 2012 itself, and communicated to all the chief secretaries of the states and union territories in India and vice chancellors of India to comply with the orders of the Nhrc order. In the said meeting of the State Human Rights Commission, the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, Honorable M.K. Stalin, has rightly said these things. I quote, "Self-respect is the basis of human rights. This government is committed to protecting the rights of every individual at all times, and we will never step back from discharging this duty. The rights of no individual should be violated and no community should be slighted for any reason. Besides, those who are responsible for violating the same these principles should not escape from the vision of the law." These were the statements made by none other than the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu in Shrc inauguration. In another virtual meeting on the Silver Jubilee celebration of the Communist Party of India, proclaimed that the Dravidian model is not for Tamil Nadu alone. It is a guiding light for all the states. If the principles of the Dravidian model spread across India, the entire country will prosper. On the contrary, if the communalism, religious fundamentalism and autocratic tendency rear their heads, it would not add glory to India. In fact, we have no dispute at all with the Honorable Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu in these statements, but our point is that in Tamil Nadu, in all colleges and educations, the young minds, the students' community should be taught about liberty, equality, fraternity, and pluralistic principles and secular fabric of the country, to be taught in colleges and universities to upright the citizens of future India, to bring in an egalitarian society in India. If not, the so-called the self-respect movement, the so-called this Dravidian model would not come to India a reality at this given point of time. And we appeal to the Honorable Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, while inaugurating the Silver Jubilee celebration of the Shrc, he has rightly pointed out about all these things of human dignity, self-respect, liberty, equality and fraternity and what not. Hence, we appeal to the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu to bring in human rights education as core subject as directed by the Nhrc and the State Human Rights Commission in all respects. This is our humble prayer to the Honorable Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu. Thank you so much.